Hi guys, so today I'm going to be making some Floam slime. So I have my glue, I'm using Elmer's glue, but you can use regular school glue. Now you won't be needing the whole gallon, it's just what I have right now. I have some contact solution, some blue food coloring, but that is totally optional, some pure baking soda. I have a spatula to stir with, a tablespoon measurer, a bowl, and I have some foam beads. Let's get started. So first I'm going to take my completely empty bowl and I am going, sorry, I just like moving all my stuff over here because this is big. I'm going to pour a little bit of this in there. And that is all that I'm going to be putting in. It's probably like 4 ounces, 4.5 ounces. But you should go to AC Moore and buy these big gallons because right now they're 2 for $30. And if you bought the glue bottles, like the 4-ounce glue bottles that would fill 2 of them, because I got 2, that would be like $147 or whatever. I did the math, but I can't really remember the answer. Like $147 and something cents. Alright? So like, go to AC Moore and buy some glue. Not saying that other stores don't have good deals too, but that's just the store that we went to. Alright, so now I'm going to add some food coloring if you want any. Just going to stir that in. This is different, like, just never had glue like from a gallon before. It's almost like it has like a different texture, but it like doesn't, you know what I mean? Like, I just know, it's different. Okay, so now we are going to add 1 tablespoon of baking soda. And you're going to mix that in well. Now I'm going to open up my contact solution. It comes with this, and if you want to use this, I believe that this is 1 full tablespoon, but I'm using the tablespoon. This is what it looks like. And there we go. Now I'm going to put, shoot, slime in it. 1 tablespoon of contact solution. I'll clean that off. And just want to keep stirring it. As you can see, it's starting to get clumpy, like really coming together. But I do have to say, if you're using a 4-ounce bottle, you shouldn't use more than 3 tablespoons of this glue, more than 3 tablespoons of the contact solution. So, because otherwise it'll be bad slime. Oh my gosh. If you don't have a tablespoon measurer, then you can just take a spoon and you can just add a little bit onto the spoon and then just use that spoon and just say it's a tablespoon, because you know it's a spoon and it's probably been set on a table before, so like it's a tablespoon. So now it's like coming together, but not like fully, completely yet. Gosh. But you want it to be a little bit sticky for the foam balls. But not that sticky, that's like really thick though, like. It's like into like, okay. Most of the time when you use contact solution, your slime will like clean the bowl for you.
Mommy,
so yeah. Okay, so I now have it's kind of like sticky a little bit, but it's not too sticky. Now I have my foam balls in here, and I'm just going to lower the slime in it, and we're just going to cover the ball. The view, guys, is like so light, like the foam balls are like so light. And you just want to squish it.
I can't do it. So funny.
Okay, this is like officially awesome. Because this is like the first time that I've ever made like Floam before, so now it's still not foamy enough, so you're going to lower it back in, cover it again. And we are going to keep doing that until it's not sticky anymore. I'm sorry, you're my brother. Oh my god.
Why do you?
Okay.
Why?
Okay, right back. Be right back. Okay, so I squished it a little bit, and now we're gonna put it in some more. Guys, this is gonna be like extra foamy. Okay, so look at this, guys. Like, oh my gosh. Oh my god, okay. This is like amazing. Like whoever thought of this. Okay guys, so thank you for watching, liking, and subscribing. And make sure to check out this Floam thing. Floam thing. It's amazing. Alright, bye.